Hey guys, it's your girl V. I'm back again with another video. Today we are doing a foyer makeover. I'm going to get right into this video. I'm going to show you exactly what I did in this space. Hopefully you can do the same thing. If not, mimic it. Now, first and foremost, of course, as you can see, it was a little boring and a little touch up or whatever. I did originally wanted to stencil the whole wall, but I didn't want it to be too claustrophobic. I thought that it would probably be too claustrophobic since it is a small entryway. So I just decided to go with stripes. I went ahead and grabbed a laser leveler so that I can get my lines straight. You can measure it if you don't have one, and then just create your stripes like that. But right now I'm just about to create stripes, and I'll show you exactly how I was gonna stencil it. And if you're gonna do a stencil, this is what I had in mind to do the stencil. But it's, you know, the stencils are nice. That's the wall that is behind me while I'm recording, facing the door. So on the left is the kitchen, on the right is the hallway. That's the wall that you're looking at now. But once I placed my tape around right above the laser line, I started painting. However, you don't see the paint there because I didn't use the blue one. I believe that's masking tape. But whatever tape works, it doesn't matter. Tape is tape. Long as the paint does not bleed through, you should be fine. But this is what I did pretty much. You can see the two tapes on top, the lining. I just did it like that. It actually originally started off as a mistake because I really wanted the second stripe to start above the second line, but my husband messed it up. But it didn't look too bad, so I kept it. It's kind of cute. I was supposed to have two stripes on top, and then one thin, one thicker right on top, but this works perfectly fine. The light. The reason why I took a deep breath, because if I tell you the story behind this light, baby. So I originally was inspired by those chandeliers that has those Swarovski crystals and, you know, those nice diamonds and shiny looking chandeliers. I wanted something just like that, but on a budget. And I also wanted to bring you guys a nice DIY video that you guys can do too, you know, make it look good on a budget. However, I didn't know what I was getting myself into. One, the light fixture was not what I expected. Two, it's a boob light, so it's a little different. I had a vision and it was hard for me to create what I wanted to do because of the fixture. And I didn't want to go through the hassle of changing the fixture, finding an electrician. It's something temporary, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I went through to try to get it. I mean, if you guys want, I can definitely create another one, but I'm trying to figure out ways that I can perfect it in a way. But this right here is a wreath. I think it's a wreath maker, the wired base for a wreath. I found it in the floral department at Hobby Lobby, and I'm pretty much just customizing it so that it can fit at that moment. I was customizing it so that it can fit the boob light cover, the actual cover that goes into the fixture. I just wanted it to hug it and then have the hems, just the stones, just hang around it so that when you're under the light, you really don't see the bulb. You do see the cover, and then you'll have the crystals around it, and hopefully the reflection will kind of make it look all pretty since it's something temporary. Yeah, that's not what happened because I couldn't get that wire frame to fit around the cover, so I ended up leaving it exposed, which I really don't like. I mean, it looks good though, it really looks good, but this is what I don't like about it. You see that aluminum foil look with the bulb? I do not like that, but it's okay though. It's cute. I mean, like I said, it's time consuming, so if you don't have patience, no bueno, not for you, mommy. Move on to the next one. Now we got our artwork. So I pretty much just used old frames and just touched them up a little bit. I will be creating a video on that for you guys because it's very helpful. Sometimes you'll have something at the house, or sometimes you have something laying around that you think is trash, but you could turn that into treasure. Heck, you could resell it if you have to. But yeah, you know, some stuff are DIYs and some stuff are like, yeah, you need to throw that out. But in this case, this was definitely something that everybody thought I should throw away, no matter where it was, or no matter, you know, who came and saw it just laying in storage. They were like, you need to get rid of it. But I knew I can repurpose it, so I kept it. See, it's nice though. Look at it. Look at that gold. I got the gold paint from Hobby Lobby. It is a metallic gold paint. I don't have the information on me, but like I said, I will be recreating a video specifically for these artworks and paint that I did for the foyer, so that you guys can mimic the same thing too. If you follow me on Instagram, you notice that I saw a painting that I was inspired by, and I pretty much just recreated it. It comes really close to it. It's not exact. Their metallic gold was, I think it was probably gold leaf. It was really it really popped, but I truly believe it was gold leaf. But however, it was a picture, so I really don't know. But like I said, I will create a video and show you exactly how I created this paint, and I absolutely love it. I'm so proud of myself because it looks so nice. Y'all can't tell me that's not nice. And on the right, of course, an old frame. Touched it up with some metallic paint as well, and then I put in a whole bunch of pictures. I just created a collage of friends and family, you know. So when your foyer is your first impression zone. This is where your guest forms their opinions about you, whether you like it or not. So you gotta make it count, okay? You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Destined to Design. Follow me on Instagram. Whatever project I'm doing, whatever is going on, I'll keep you guys posted on that. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you. Bye.